What them a gonna do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My viewers and subscribers, big up for yourself. The attacking boss, they are my people, NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. So my people, you know, say, that video I sent to my people, me never get exact location where them say this happened. Them say Jamaica go on, my people. Never get the exact date what them say NEWLINK this recently happened. And them says a female security, you know, my people. You see me? And a somebody them said do sorry, you know, with the acidic thing, my people. The whole our skinner people, me I tell us the video, me understand me have to black out certain thing because yo, all me can say, yo, people cruel and people vicious and people wicked star. What she could have do so? What she do? Violate some other thing because she's a security officer. What she do? Take a girl man or something. What go on, me couldn't do this, yo. Eh? Acid up the yo people or some people cruel, you know, yo. Eh? And when them do it, or is a man? What is a man do it? What go on? What really go on? Give me the information pertaining to this for people. Because the video sent to me, I'm not get no caption on it. You understand? But me see me have to show people say, yo, some wicked and terrible people out there, yo. Some heartless people, and the first, yes, them I see the thing about me. I tell the people when me see the video, my blood run cold. When I look on the ground, it's like our skin burn off my people, and like it the blood that run off on a drain and she dead and she just a ball and the clothes burn off her, and say somebody come and dash some milk on her. Yo, me know son no want to see the video, my people. Yo, I go on. Follow NEWLINK production Instagram. You understand NEWLINK production, follow the page, then you DM me, and then boom, you see me? Follow the page, because if you don't follow NEWLINK production on Instagram, you cannot get the video. Make sure you follow NEWLINK production, my people. It's a very sad situation, man, tough. But me just wish her speedy recovery, and hope she heal in Jesus' name. You see me? Hope she heal and recover. Then you see the perpetrators, where they behind this or do this, attack for you. Attack, no joke, no leniency, straight attack. Because here we go on now. If it's a humble do it, or she leave you, you understand? A straight attack same way. If it's a humble do it, you see me? And she burn you, or something, a straight attack for it. You see me? If it's a girl do it because she take your man, a straight attack for your same way. A whole heap of man out there. You see me? Blame the man. You see me? And if somebody do it based on the job what she a do, and maybe she a try, cause work she a work, you know, and you feel like she disrespect you, and you say, you know, me go dose that girl with something, a straight attack for you too. You see me? It's unfair, yo, a cruelty people, a wickedness, man. When I see the thing, my people, say my blood run cool. It run cool. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, some terrible people out there in this world. Some wicked people. Some vicious people. You understand? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Big up for yourself, my people. Peace out, enough love, enough respect. Enough. And just stay safe. Jaja. Speedy recovery, my lady. Remember, people, follow the Instagram, NEWLINK Production Official. You want to see the video, make sure you follow. Follow me on Twitter. You understand? On X, you don't know, say. You don't know. Facebook, the NEWLINK Production page. And follow me on TikTok. Because the TikTok hot, you know, my people. If you not follow NEWLINK Production TikTok, you ain't a problem, you know. So go over TikTok and type in NEWLINK Production and follow it. Because we're upon it, my people. We're upon it, man. Be good, be great, and be safe. Peace out. Big up. I'm out.